In today's video, I'll show you how to improve voice quality in ElevenLabs so your AI-generated voiceovers sound clearer, smoother, and more professional. If your voiceovers don't sound the way you expected, don't worry. In many cases, a few simple adjustments can noticeably improve the final audio. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and open the text-to-speech section. Choose the voice you want to use and paste your script into the editor. Before generating the audio, carefully review your script. Fix any spelling mistakes, add proper punctuation, and break up long sentences. These small changes help the AI read your text more naturally. Next, choose a voice that matches your content. A clear, natural voice is usually the best choice for tutorials and educational videos, while more expressive voices work well for storytelling and entertainment. If your selected voice includes customization options, adjust the settings gradually and generate short samples after each change. This makes it easier to compare results and find the best balance. As you test different versions, listen for pronunciation, pacing, and consistency. If a specific word or sentence sounds unnatural, rewrite that section instead of regenerating the entire script. Another helpful tip is to work with smaller sections of text. Generating your voiceover in short parts gives you more control and makes it easier to correct mistakes. Once you're happy with the overall quality, generate the complete voiceover and download the final audio for your project. Spending a little extra time testing voices and refining your script can make a big difference in creating polished, professional-sounding narration. And that's how you improve voice quality in ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.